Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And to those who are new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I make my vegetarian kabab. And this time, this is a much healthier vegetarian kabab. So these are all my ingredients. So first things first, I have my gluten here for the vegetarian meat. So all I need to do is slice it into cubes. Hold on. So next is prepare the marinade, because we will marinate this vegetarian meat or the gluten. So I have here the vegetarian mushroom oyster sauce, just 1/3 cup. 1/3 cup and 1/3 cup of soy sauce as well. The juice of your pineapple chunks. We will use the pineapple chunks later. Okay, next is I have here the onion powder. Just put a little. And the garlic powder. And if you want to put if you want to put black pepper, you can put black pepper as well. Okay, and sugar. Just 1/4 cup of sugar. And of course, your UFC ketchup. If you want to be a little bit anghang or spicy, use the hot and spicy ketchup, or either way you can also use tomato ketchup. This time I'm gonna use the a little of tomato ketchup. It's like 1/4 cup as well, and a little of. So this is your marinade mixture, and pour it over your vegetarian meat. So marinate this for about 1 hour. So next is prepare your other ingredients. So I have here bell pepper, tomatoes, and of course your pineapple chunks. So same thing, you slice the tomatoes, and as much as possible, choose the crunchy tomato, not the overripe. With your bell pepper, slice it into cubes as well. So these are your ingredients, vegetables ingredients. And of course, don't forget your barbecue stick. You really need this. So right now we are ready to grill our vegetarian meat. So don't forget to spread a little oil in your air fryer. It will stick. brush it with your marinade. So 5 minutes before the time ends, add your vegetables, your pineapple, tomatoes, and your bell pepper. Okay, 5 minutes more. So it's done. Okay, so right now, let's assemble our kebab. It is perfectly cooked. Brownish. Tomatoes, gluten, pineapple, another gluten, right, and bell pepper. Okay, so here it is. A vegetarian kebab. So this one is very healthy, and I do hope you enjoy my videos. And thank you for watching once again. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, and to leave a comment down below. And for those of you who requested on how to make gluten, I will post the link below. And once again, thank you so much. Happy eating!